Today I'm going to show you how to host free email address. Okay, suppose your name is Bob and you have a domain name example.com. You want an email address bob@example.com, but how can you do that totally free? If you simply need email address for your own domain, then you can easily get it by Yandex Connect. They provide free email hosting and you can have up to 1000 email addresses, and you'll also have 10 gigabytes of storage for each user. So I'll show you how can you do that. First you have to go to this address, and before you're going to make this, you have to make a Yandex email address and make sure you verify that email address using your phone number. Okay, I have my Yandex email already signed up, so now I am going to just log in to that email address. Okay, now I am logged in. Then you have to write your domain name here and click sign up free. We have to verify our domain name, and verifying domain name sometimes take 30 minutes to 3 hours, so be patient with that. And I am going to take DNS record method to verify the domain name by adding a DNS-TXT record in the DNS zone editor and then click start verification. Now I am copying the TXT record. Alright, I'm logged into my cPanel, and here I'll add a DNS-TXT record in the DNS zone editor. And if you are using GoDaddy or Namecheap, then you have to log in there and click DNS management, and you can add DNS-TXT record there. Okay, I'll click on manage, add record, and type txt. I'll paste what I have copied earlier. I'll use TTL 1800, and for name you can either use @, but here @ is not applicable, so I'll write my domain name. And make sure add a dot after com, add record. So after adding this txt record, you have to wait for some time. Sometimes it takes 30 minutes and sometimes more, and then you can verify your domain name. Alright, our domain name is confirmed, and now we have to add Amex records. To add Amex record, we have to go to this link. Here we can find all the detailed information about Amex record. And remember, this process may take up to 72 hours, but usually it takes less than 72 hours. And here's the value. I'm going to copy this, add record, and the priority is 10. Our subdomain name is @ so we know that @ is our own domain name, so I just written my domain name here and click add record. Alright, after waiting for about 6 hours, finally my Amex record is working, and now I have to add some more record to complete the email setup. Again, we have to go to this link and you can see that there is SPF record. I have to add a txt record with the value this. I'll copy that, add record txt value, and for name we'll add our domain name, add record. Okay, we can verify that our name here is at means our domain name. Now I will add a DKIM signature. To do that, we'll have to make a txt record. Let me read that. Alright, I'm going to the DNS management. Here's, I see that DKIM record. So what I'm gonna do, I'll copy the host, I'll add a txt record, and I'm pasting the host here. And for some DNS editor, you have to add your domain name after this. Okay, like this, and copying the record value and add record. Okay, the final one is CNAME record. We'll add a CNAME record. Now name is male and the value for CNAME record is this. I'm going to copy the value, add record, CNAME record, pasting value here. Name is male, and for some DNS zone editor, you have to add your domain name after male, and for some you don't have to add your domain name. So I'm going to add record. So we have added every record, and now it's time to add email addresses. So I'm going to create email address by clicking here. I don't know why it is in Russian language. I'll click on add a person, then just name, random date of birth, add email. So we have created an email address, this. So I'm going to log in that, and we'll try to test the email address. I'm copying this address and going into mail, signing out, and signing with the new account we have just created. Logged in. Okay, our email address is created successfully. Now I am going to send a test email to see that the email is working and is the email going to the inbox instead of spam folder. So I'm sending to one of my email address, that is Gmail. I've sent an email to this address. Let me see. Oh, now we can see that our email came to the inbox, not to spam folder. So this is the from address we have created. Everything seems very good. Thank you very much for watching this video.